Alright, so here we are in the field and it's the moment of the truth. We're going to fly this little machine. Today the weather is cloudy, but it's not so windy, so it's perfect because you know how it goes when you're flying little birds like this when it's windy. It doesn't go so well, so it's okay. Well, now I can feel a little bit more wind, but it's not a big deal. So we're going to fly it. I already did some damage here to this part, but this is okay. If it falls over, that's no problem because it doesn't do actually anything. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna start flying it. Preparing this model airplane for its flight takes only few seconds, but you can even bring it to the flying field already with the wings attached, because it's so small that it's very portable even with the wings on. And now I am ready. Let's fly this. And I'm going to check the center of gravity one last time, just to make sure. And here we go. Beautiful. All that work is worth it. I'll leave you with pure images of the flight, and of course it sometimes will be a little bit hard to see because the model is too small, but I can say it is very beautiful. If you didn't see the entire process of the building of this airplane, check the description below and watch that amazing video. And now here it comes, the first landing. By changing the propeller, I can get more power from the motor, but I was getting already enough power from the propeller it had. Okay, so that was a great flight with this little machine. It was a little bit nervous. I mean, the machine was a little bit uncontrollable sometimes, so you need a little bit of experience to control it, and that's because of the small ailerons that we have. Sometimes I felt like I needed a little bit more throw or, you know, more surface in the ailerons, and the elevator was a little bit weird. I don't know. I think it's not the elevator, I think it's the airplane in general that tended to go up and down. And the little inputs in the elevator made a huge difference. So it also depends on the power settings of your motor. If you're going fast and you accelerate your motor, then it will go up. And then when you deaccelerate or throttle down, then it will tend to go down. So you have to like compensate with the elevator but I guess that's normal. I think giving it a little bit of down thrust, more than what it already has, it will solve the problem a little bit. But I don't know, it was okay. It was a great experience. Also, the lack of rudder was something annoying for me. I kept like doing, with the stick, doing something to correct the flight, but it wasn't there. So it was something that I had to keep in my mind. So I didn't have rudder. Don't fly in windy conditions. But overall, it was a great experience, and I hope to do more projects like this where you choose the model you want me to build and fly for the next videos. But for now, you can also download the plans of this model and also the glider that wasn't selected by the community. But you can download these plans for free down in the description below as a PDF format. And you can also find these plans in the Discord community. We share a lot of stuff there. We share pictures sometimes and plans and whatever. So head over to the description of this video, find the link to the Discord server, and also subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you in the next project.